Alfredo Gubalio.
Sir.
Yes. Go ahead, please.
Check, check.
Hindi ka matatalo dyan, pare. Tignan mo nga. Galing eh. Tignan mo nga, mukha nga. Isa ka mukha nga ng cameraman si Ribangcos. Tignan mo nga, itsura. Pogi ka dyan, pare. Kaya mo yan.
Sir, go na, sir.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Double defense against SARS. The best defense in strengthening our body's natural immune systems is micronutrients. Vitamins in particular are important in producing macrophages and other white blood cells, which are essential to our body's defense mechanism.
Okay. Thank you, Alfredo.
Thank you, sir.
I'll just call you. Okay, next. Sino sa inyo mag-audition?
Siya.
Inaloko na yata.
Hindi, sir. Siya.
Sino ba talaga?
Siya.
Okay, take the mic, please. Siya nga si Bruce.
Bruce po, ayan po yung Bruce po.
Go ahead, please. Basahin mo yan. Loud.
Pare, lakas mo. Basahin mo to. Pare, lakas mo. Basahin mo to.
Ay, lumalap. Sige, pare. Pag nakakalap ako sa mic, walang lumalap.
Udi, dito. Banda rito ka.
Please, go ahead.
Dito ka.
Sa beer house yata gustong pumasok to, ah.
Magaling yung boses niyan, sir.
Sayang nyo lang oras ko, eh.
Sir, bigyan niyo pa kami ng isang... Sir,
Wag na lang tayo muna, pare. Hindi ko nga kaya ano eh.
sayang ito na yung pagkakataon mo. Wala kang trabaho. Hindi ko pare. Kaya mo yun.
Pare, masakit na yung ginagawa mo.
Tama yan, sakto yan.
Ano yung sakto?
Yung boses mo, yung ginawa mo, pare.
You're pointing to me, sir. Please don't leave yet because you haven't heard my voice.
Oh. I like that. Go ahead, please.
Thank you. Double defense against SARS. SARS is the defense against the double. Against the SARS, the double is the defense. Defense, double against SARS. SARS defense, double against the SARS.
Good voice. We're ready.